What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in on today's video. Today we've got a special guest appearance on today's episode. We've got his truck out here. We're going to be doing a little bit of a appearance upgrade on his truck here. So I'm going to go ahead and flip over the camera and we're going to introduce you guys to Kurt, and he's going to talk a little bit about his truck and his build, and then we're going to go ahead and jump right into our install video for the day.
Hey YouTube, my name's Kurt. Met up with Cody when I started kind of getting into my 2006 project here. The goal was to pull it in the shop and put some studs in it and maybe make a little bit more power. And as most of you probably know at this point, I found a couple of cracked cylinder heads and unfortunately also found a camshaft that was on its way out due to a lifter failure there. So the plans changed with that project a lot. Not really knowing exactly where to go, kind of ran into Cody through some common interest in the small world that it is here, and was able to use his resourcefulness and experience that's specific to the 6.0 platform to make some really good choices for this build. Like I said, started out, we're going to do some studs and maybe injector and turbo, turned into a complete engine overhaul. So from the bottom up, things went real well, tore it down to bare bones nothing, started cleaning things up, micing things, remachining as necessary, ordered a set of KDD Icon cylinder heads and a River City Diesel Stage 2 camshaft, holders, premium injectors, 15530s, combined up with a KC Stage 1 turbo. This is a dually 1-ton, crew cab truck. Most of its use is towing, camping, stuff like that. It does a lot of heavy towing, big trailers, heavy iron, stuff like that. So, the truck, it's not really a lightweight kind of application. So, I let Cody know that we need to be able to tow heavy and keep our EGTs in check and still make as much power as we can. We want to make sure we don't hurt the transmission. We want a reliable but strong build, and I think we nailed it.
So there's a rundown on Kurt's truck here. Pretty cool. It's a really nice truck. Like you said, it's low mileage. I couldn't believe when he sent me a photo of the lifter that had collapsed in this truck. Kind of unheard of, but yeah, he went back together with this thing with some really awesome parts, and this truck, it runs really well, makes really good power, but he can pretty much tow whatever he wants. So really awesome setup. I'm a huge fan of the KC Stage 1s and the 15530 injectors for guys that want to tow, but they've got a hot rod guy inside of them that also wants some power too. So yeah, that's just a really good combination. Today we're going to be doing a update on the back end of the truck. We're actually going to be updating the tail light assemblies. We're going to be going to an 08 to 16 style tail light. There's going to be a couple of little wiring things you have to do, but for the most part, guys, this stuff is plug and play. It's going to bolt right on. So we're going to go over that. We're going to be doing the install. Stay tuned. Let's do it. So here are our two brand new, straight from Ford taillight assemblies for 2008 to 2016 Ford pickup trucks. Like I said, these are going to be a complete direct bolt-in. We do, like I said, have two wiring pigtails here that we're going to be switching out. And that is because the reverse bulb goes to a different style bulb. And so we've got Ford OEM sockets for that. And then these are actually just standard pigtails for that. But we are also going to be upgrading our reverse lights as well to a high bright LED looking reverse light. We can kind of get a quick comparison here between the 08 to 16 and our factory, basically 99 to 2004 style, or 2007, excuse me. Yeah, just a really nice updated look. You can see that the newer ones have like this boss that kind of comes out. They kind of stick out a little bit. Just a really nice beefy looking setup. Big fan of this little upgrade here. guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you for tuning in. Like I said, 08 to 16 taillights. We are actually going to be offering this on the LLD website, leftlanediesels.com. I'm going to have this full kit available to you. It's going to be OEM taillights, OEM connector plug. That way it seals up properly the way that it should. You're not going to get water into your new taillights. And this is just a really sleek little update and upgrade for the back end of your 99 to 2007 trucks. So keep an eye.
Go to LLD, buy this kit, and it's 2023. You need this update on your truck.
Right.
Get rid of these old things. It's 2023. Go to LLD, get your kit, all inclusive.
Yep.
Bring your own wrench, bring your own strippers. Away you go.
Amen. That's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.